Space is a property of mass. So basically what I'm trying to say here is that things with energy don't actually have a position in the universe. The universe is just your perception of available quantum systems that are manifesting in multiple dimensions. So
I would encourage you sometimes to use that tool if you need to
what I'm saying
I definitely
help yourself kind of find
is that
or sometimes it's not a solution, right? Sometimes it's like
the observer of the thing that happens affects the thing that happens directly. And space is not a place. It's a property of mass. And the amount of space that something contains, and this is not relativity here, is proportionate because there needs to be energy flowing between it and other things. You know what I'm saying? And so if there's no space for this energy to go, but it's not a physical place that exists. It's just something. And so things all are stacked on top of each other. You know what I'm saying? And if you imagine like a red film over top of a blue film, so now you have the illusion of purple, and then you add yellow to it. You understand this is the nature of the universe. These things just come with different amounts of mass, therefore there's different amounts of space between the layers. You know what I'm saying? And it's not even that it's between the layers, it's just that a part of each gear in this clock contains space as a part of its existence.
I do not need to be.
Everything is happening at once on different levels. You know what I'm saying? And I've explained that process a million times, but in the sense that, you know, the sun is driving the earth in a pattern that is similar to concentric circles.
So different, but also it's stressful because
the arc of one of these circles, if you take any part of it, like a season, for example,
my first year was
and you zoom in, and then you take a chunk off of that, like a month, and you zoom in, and you keep doing this forever and ever and ever until you get till the saturation of the two-dimensional nature of orbit.
And I liked that because we could, learn from each other and create a bond.
Circles have fractal arcs. That's what a fractal is. And they have visual representations that are like rivers, from like a bird's eye view of an area with a large river basins and things. Or like the veins in a human eye, or like the branches on a tree. But that's kind of the whole point of this video, is that non-locality is a principle. Everything is in one place. There's no distance between things. But all things with mass also contain X amount of space. So you have to get by that space somehow in order to connect with the object.